Alright guys, Ride Pro here. Today we got a 2010 Harley Davidson Street Glide. It's all black, satin black or matte black model. Does have a Screaming Eagle Stage 4 kit, which puts it in at over 100 horse. It's got nice floorboards, billet shifter, heel toe shifter, chrome highway bars. It's like about 75% tread on the tire there. See right there, it's Screaming Eagle badging, Screaming Eagle heads. Does have a 2-into-1 on here. It's a matte black also on the exhaust. Have a Mustang seat with rider backrest and passenger removable backrest, both of them removable. Let's have Mustang leather bag covers, lid covers. There's some like boot scuffs in this one. If you want any more details on the bike, you can go to our website www.myridepro.com, or you can give us a call at 813-615-1700. We do have discounted shipping rates to anywhere in the US, starting at $300. Goes up from there. Really nice looking bike. Runs really strong. Go ahead and start it up here. To radio. It's premium sound. It's got some little extra speakers in here. Some storage up here. Like I said, if you need more details, you can go to our website www.myridepro.com. You can give us a call, 813-615-1700. Alright, thanks for checking it out.